coming from a equities background, na if your time horizon is 10 years plus, I personally believe that this over the next 2 years is the best time to put your money
Yeah.
into equities. Bakit? We
Yeah.
haven't moved for the past 10 years.
Yes. Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Parang
Yes.
kung isipin mo,
Sideways lang, no?
parang kung isipin mo, dumami ba yung mall sa Pilipinas? Ang traffic na nga eh. Diba? Dumami
Oo,
ba yung
grabe.
daan sa Pilipinas to make better movement around the country in in our economy? Dumami naman eh.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So
Yeah.
parang no-brainer na
This is the best time, no?
yeah. So if that's your time horizon, personally agree that you should, put your foot on the gas pedal when it comes to equities and
Equities,
allocating
guys, is stock market,
oo,
So it's
stock
another
market.
term for stock
Yeah.
market. So again, we're telling for the past 10 years, no, the Philippine market hasn't moved, kumbaga, sideways lang talaga. So,
Yeah. And
kumbaga, due na